Hi everyone, this is Claudia from Bonus. I'm pleased to invite you to watch a short video representing a 6 days of training for educators of young people with visual impairment called Sculpture Potentials that we organized together with different partners from Cyprus, Sweden, Poland, Czech Republic and Italy. Of course, as a part of the beautiful Erasmus project DEAP. Thank you.
In May 2025, in the sunny city of Cagliari, Sardinia, educators and youth workers from 5 European countries came together for a unique training experience. The event was part of DEAP project, nurturing personal development and empowerment of young people with visual impairment through arts education. Participants from Italy, Poland, Czech Republic, Sweden and Cyprus spent 6 days learning, creating and growing together. The training focused on how to use ceramics and artistic expression as tools to support the personal growth and inclusion of young people with visual impairments. Each day began with energizing and playful non-formal activities, helping us to wake up, connect and prepare for what was to come. We explored the role of educators working with visually impaired youth, developed our understanding of inclusive methods, and most importantly, got our hands deep into clay. Under the guidance of 2 incredible ceramic artists, Giovanni Pulli and Sonia Geracci, we learned how to shape, carve, glaze and decorate. Their passion, knowledge and patience made each session not only educational, but truly inspiring. We also had the chance to visit Giovanni's family studio, the Nanni Pulli Ceramic Laboratory, where art, craftsmanship and tradition live side by side. We created bas-reliefs, sculptures and personal pieces, each of them telling a story. We laughed, we focused, we got messy, and we discovered how powerful and therapeutic work with clay can be. Beyond the artistic process, this training was about people, about sharing experiences, about inclusion, empathy, and creativity. Every moment, from group reflections to shared dinners, brought us closer together as a community. On the final day, we paused to reflect. What have I learned? How have I changed? What can I bring back to my work, to my young learners, to my community? There were smiles, there were tears, and there was a strong sense that this was just the beginning. Because at the end of June, we'll meet again, this time to explore the world of contact dance. DEAP is more than a project. It's a journey of connection, growth and shared humanity. Thank you for being a part of it. See you soon with open hearts and dancing feet.